Alrighty, happy Monday. I got a couple things for you here. The Instagram and Facebook double messaging thing, found it, patched it, all good to go. It was a scheduled time frame. That's in the API call. It was sending to high level. It was duplicating on the high level side. Weirdest thing ever. We submit the bug. We'll see what happens, but we put a patch in place, so that should be good. Have a couple things on call infrastructure being done today on things like the inbound calling being a little bit faster, on things like calls being tracked a little bit better. We're going to have more data in that as well. I also have a couple things updating as far as resources, the documentation, the API references, and then click-through demos are being made right now. I have calls all day today, like literally until like 5 p.m. But I'm going to try to knock out as much as I can, and then we're going to start to roll out the infrastructure of the new voice stuff, which is voice inside of the messaging and the conversation, so you can see all of that, kind of really merging the two things together, and things like tap back filtering, and then the additional settings that you see in the portal that have been temporarily deprecated before are going to make a comeback, along with just a little bit of tweaking in the AI builder itself. Also, Haley Chat Widget is going to get some more functionality to help you build, not only with the assistants themselves, but knowledge as well. And then I am going through support tickets. I think there are some that need my input on there, but we've knocked out a good bit of them. I think we have barely in there. I think it's just one or two things that I need to touch on the back end. And I think we should be good. I'm just trying to give an update here, just so you're in the know of everything going there. I have a couple more little fun things that are coming for pre-built tools and all. But I'll start to slowly roll those out because we're about to head back to Florida. Probably, I don't know if it's going to be the end of today or tomorrow morning, so we're prepping for that. The house that we're staying in is a neighbor of ours, so their house got completely flooded. We've been helping them get back to Florida. We're about to head back to Florida, so I'm knocking out as much as I can before we can go down, and we're also doing rigorous testing before putting it out. So we have a couple things in the pipeline to be, coming out today. You also start to see some of the resources populate the dashboard in the agency portal and the client portal, where the action required thing is. It's not really used as far as our analytics shows. So we're going to replace that with like a get started type portal thing where it has click through demos that are completely white labeled. If branding is there, we blur it out. On just about how to do everything. So it not only helps you, but helps your clients that are in there too. At least on the basic stuff like creating a booking assistant, things like that. And then the video from Friday, a lot of great feedback. That was a super fun one. We did multi-calendar booking, appointment confirmation reminder via voice. Ton of fun stuff on that call. Went through a huge prompting thing. I even have the task-based framework kind of pulled up here on what it looks like on a three-dimensional basis. We kind of went through that too. So it was kind of a little masterclass, pretty much on best practices and things. And again, we were able to get multi-calendar booking rolling pretty quickly, without fail, super fun, a couple custom tools. And so I'll chop that up and release that probably today, depending on the time. But I thought I'd give a quick update, have a couple more things. Again, you'll kind of see them as they roll out today. Shouldn't see any interruptions, and anything we see intermittently, we'll go ahead and patch in and do whatever. Like I said, I'm going to go through the support tickets, make sure everybody's taken care of. I think we're mostly through all of them. And the ones that needed my help on more technical stuff, but I think we should be through there. So if you need some help, reach out to them. Here's my update. I'm going to finish up some stuff today, talk with some people today. I think we're heading back down to Florida either tonight or tomorrow, and then you should start to see some more stuff roll out throughout the end of the week. So thank you so much. Happy Monday.